You had to say that.
Oh no! She's got the magnifying glass! Tell him, Rick, about our promise. I think they kinda understand you.
What Teddy means is, well, we understand what we've been putting you through.
Do we ever?
We don't exactly know how we got here, but if we ever get back, well...
From now on, we're on your side. Okay, so Cake's waiting. Let's celebrate!
Oh no!
All this way and not even a nibble.
Look!
Come on! This could be our only chance!
What? Thanks again.
We did it!
Yes!
Where on earth have you boys been? Just look at you!
Studying nature?
Uh-huh.
Sorry, Mom.
Burgers, coming right up.
No thanks, Dad. This'll do.
What the?
Now, where are you going?
Come and get it!
Look at him go!
Look! It finally happened! It's gonna be a nice colony.
Yeah.
So you love me, huh?